2 to the inside out of TRC New Mexico in the 20S. And the Haylie Tribute car is going to be Scott Sullivan looking to defend his previous win. As the green flag waves.
Stacked heat right now, guys. This is the one we've been waiting for. You've got your top 3 in the season racing it off. Looks like Scott Sullivan's going to be the guy to do it.
Scott Sullivan maybe be able to make something happen. He did get caught up on that start there. Last time by, the gap between first and second was 2.6 seconds, and this time 2.2. So the Haylie Tribute car, Scott Sullivan, closing the gap here as we speak with 3 laps in.
As Sullivan on that last lap just cracked 25.93 seconds. That little pack there of 3.
Scott Sullivan trying to capitalize. It's going to be all about the long game here, folks. We're halfway through, but this time by at the flag stand, we will have 3 laps to go.
Scott Sullivan in the Haylie Tribute car taking us back to the future. See some speed there in the Haylie Tribute car going into 1 and 2.
White flag and a wave as Scott Sullivan a little loose there out of turn number 4. Sullivan going to keep it together, but going to lose the advantage that he had made up all night long. Might have a flat tire on that 20S machine, not too sure. Second, going to go to the 20S of Scott Sullivan.